front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now select languages and input, manage keywords, and Gbird. Following that, click on text correction and scroll down just a bit to access autocorrection. Then to manage it, click on this switcher to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!